Hello everyone, welcome to issue 67 of our weekly report. Here are this week's key highlights. 1. This Friday, FF officially received notice that it has regained compliance with the minimum bid price requirement for continued listing. 2. FFAI Robotics has achieved two key technological breakthroughs in its built-in USA acceleration program. 3. On August 26 and September 28, we will host two built-in USA upstream and downstream partner recruitment conferences. 4. We will hold our Q2 earnings call on August 13. 5. We are advancing a capital value restoration sub-campaign focused on locking in the conversion price floor for our existing notes and accelerating debt reduction. First, let me share some good news on our listing compliance. On August 7th US time, FF officially received notice from Nasdaq that the company has regained compliance with the minimum bid price requirement under Nasdaq listing rule 55582, and the related compliance matter has now been formally closed. This marks an important step forward in the company's listing compliance efforts, as well as a milestone in our recent capital markets initiatives. It further strengthens FF's foundation for continued development in the US. Capital markets supports our efforts to bring in strategic investors and will help accelerate the next phase of our capital strategy, business growth, and the rebuilding of stockholder value. At the same time, we fully recognize the challenges the fluctuations in the company's stock price have posed to stockholder value throughout this process. Protecting stockholder interest and long-term value has always been one of our highest priorities. Regaining Nasdaq compliance is not the finish line, but a new starting point. Building on the sub-campaign launched last week as part of our capital market transformation, we will continue to optimize our capital structure and advance broader capital strategy reforms. Through continued improvements in our fundamentals, a stronger capital structure, and the creation of long-term value, we aim to restore the company's value in the capital markets step by step. Next, let me share two technological breakthroughs from FFAI Robotics. The first is the launch of version 1.0 of FF's self-developed Universal Beyond Line-of-Sight Teleoperation and Multi-Robot Control Platform, which is now ready for deployment. To address a key industry challenge, standalone robot applications are not yet fully mature. While complex tasks still require human-robot collaboration, the platform has achieved breakthroughs in two core capabilities: beyond the line-of-sight teleoperation and the heterogeneous multi-robot control. BLOS teleoperation enables operators to remotely control robots in complex environments such as factories, allowing robots to perform tasks that are dangerous, difficult, or otherwise unsuitable for direct human involvement. Over time, the system will progressively evolve toward fully autonomous operation, continuously reducing the need for human intervention. Heterogeneous multi-robot control supports robots across different form factors, enabling unified scheduling, coordination, and control across multiple robots, form factors, and tasks. This provides a universal multi-robot control solution for industries including education, industrial applications, security, and inspection. Following the completion of Phase 1 of the built-in USA acceleration program and the major progress we have made with our education ecosystem solutions, this platform represents another breakthrough for FF in industry productivity solutions. It also marks a major step forward in our One Brain Multiple Forms, Multiple Capabilities technology roadmap, and will create significant value across our four major industry ecosystems and their productivity solutions. The second technological advancement is the series of practical upgrades to FFAI Robotics security and inspection solutions. 1. The solutions now support autonomous navigation across large-scale environments, abnormal event classification, personnel recognition, and real-time alerts. 2. Mobile control and real-time voice interaction have been further optimized. 3. The RoboFoundry Cloud platform now supports LiRobot 3.0 and remote software updates, further improving operations and maintenance efficiency. These practical capabilities will also be gradually expanded into a broader range of industry applications, including logistics and sorting, industrial applications, and education. Next, let me preview our two upcoming built-in USA upstream and downstream partner recruitment conferences. The first, on August 26, will focus on downstream partners across our four core full-stack AI ecosystem. It will showcase the latest achievements of our EAI education ecosystem, and highlight its nationwide replication, while bringing together downstream customers and channel partners. The second, on September 28, will focus on upstream partners, bringing together industry partners across local manufacturing, core computing infrastructure, key components, certification, and regulatory compliance. It helps accelerate the build-out of an end-to-end ecosystem spanning supply chain development through commercialization and sales, while advancing the Built in USA acceleration program and the nationwide scaling of our 4-core full-stack AI robotics ecosystem. On the capital and financial side, the company will hold its Q2 earnings call at 4 p.m. Pacific Time on August 13th and 7 a.m. Beijing Time on August 14th. During the call, management will provide our investors with a detailed update on our Q2 business, operating performance, and financial results, share the progress and achievements to date from our 5 new transformations, and discuss the next stage execution plans and performance outlook for our robotics business. We welcome FFAI stockholders and investors to join the call. This week, FF also launched its capital value restoration sub-campaign for our 4-core full-stack AI robotics business. Key initiatives include, subject to applicable laws and contractual obligations, establishing a $5 per share conversion price floor for all existing convertible notes with a legally binding implementation already completed for the vast majority of them, accelerating debt reduction, and committing to direct future new financing primarily toward the development of our robotics business. We will provide further details during next week's earnings call. We believe and are confident that through continued improvements in our fundamentals and the ongoing implementation of our transformation initiatives, FF's capital value will soon return to a level that more fully reflects the company's underlying value. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you next week.